Poor Jason is back here working on the slide. I'm sorry, honey.
How it is.
Just part of it.
Success.
That was way harder than it looks.
You got a tree to hold on to.
Oh wow, so pretty. That's beautiful. We are Jason, Julie, Emma, and Hudson. We decided we were ready for a new adventure, so we sold our house and we are traveling in an RV full time. We are excited to see what God has in store for us. Follow along as we hit the road in the slow lane. Get out there and make more of every moment. Alright guys, we are headed out this morning from the KOA and we are going to another part of the park to enjoy it. So I think there is a soda fountain that is up here in town. So we're going to stop at that for a little bit. So we'll try to get a little bit of footage of that as well. So we did not even hitch up this morning. I'm driving separately because this soda fountain is just a couple miles down the road. And then I don't know if we will even hitch up because we are only going a couple hours down the road to the other side of the Yellowstone National Park. So we will probably hitch up after we get done with the soda fountain. But I'm excited. Hopefully there'll be some cool drinks that we can get there. Jason and I have been looking for a soda fountain for the last month or so. Yeah, we finally found one. Oh, look how cute! That's cool. That is awesome. So they got black cherry cream, huckleberry, orange cream, root beer cream, Pepsi, got Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Dr. Pepper. I don't know what a bubble waffle is.
I don't know. Picture of it.
You gotta see Hudson's sweatshirt. He just got $9.99. Can't beat that. That's a really cool sweatshirt.
It's warm too. It's way warm. It's way warmer
yesterday.
than the one I was wearing yesterday. Get plastic on our teeth.
Me and Hudson want those right there. Mini caramels. He's saying we wouldn't have any teeth left though if we get those.
What? No. No, they're wrapped in plastic, but you can barely see it. So somebody would bite into that thinking that you can just eat
They're gonna eat plastic.
Oh, that looks good.
Yum. Such cute shops in here. So we got back from the visitor center and then we noticed that our bedroom slide was not all the way in. It was sticking out just a little bit. And so we have been here for an hour or so while he's trying to fix our slide. This is very common. It just happens. We had the same problem with our travel trailer. So they can be wonderful to have to give you extra space, but they can be a huge pain in the butt when they do not work correctly. So they are finishing up school.
Yeah.
Hudson just got finished. And poor Jason is back here working on the slide. I'm sorry, honey.
How it is.
Just part of it. But hopefully, shortly,
Yeah.
He'll figure it out.
Yeah.
So he's having me run it in and out, back and forth. He said that it looked like some of the rollers had came off.
Back in a little.
Back in a little.
More. Whoa. Everybody back out.
Okay, so it is not completely fixed yet, but he's got it in enough that we can at least get back on the road, get to our next campground, and then that'll give us a little more flexibility so we're not just out here in the parking lot. It'll be easier for him to get in there to really work on it. So hopefully we'll get it figured out.
Babies no more, but they little. Look at these
Two of them.
It was bigger than a foot ahead. Don't hit me.
Junior Ranger, I promise to do all I can to preserve and protect Yellowstone National Park. When I get home, I'll tell all my friends about my trip to Yellowstone, and I will teach them.
Mudslides. Success. Success.
That was way harder than it looks.
You got a tree to hold on to.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is pretty. It's beautiful.
None of us is waterfall.
Oh, it's cold. It's supposed to be about 41 degrees all year long. On average, it says.
All right, good morning. We're at another day at Yellowstone. We are going to go check out the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. So that's going to make our second unofficial Grand Canyon.
Third.
In other places, third. Yeah.
No, it didn't say grand, did it? It just said like.
It's
Never mind.
We've been to lots of canyons.
it's cold.
Oh, there it is.
Whoa.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, cool.
You can see that waterfall over there. So cool. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh wow, so pretty. That's beautiful. I love that we get to see all these beautiful places that we would have never seen had we not gotten to do this. at that waterfall.
That was cool. It was
It kind of
creepy.
gets my stomach, like looking over the edge.
Yeah, like you're like standing right on the edge of it. It's creepy.
It is creepy. It was fun though. I
Yeah.
don't want to walk all the way back up it.
Yeah.
That was a big, long switchback, like
Yeah.
10 switchbacks that we have to go back up.
Yeah.
It's a big drop. All the way up there.
You can't tell. It's a long way up. It's gonna be a fun walk.